and a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
What's good? It's QueenSit. I'm back with another video, period. Shout out to everybody who rocking with me. Shout out to everybody who bought the shirts. I appreciate everybody. So if you're new to this channel is about spreading love and positivity and riding your motorcycle and motivating you to do things that you've never imagined. So let's get started. Today I'm getting ready to link up with some of my friends and we're about to take a ride. Now y'all know I normally don't ride in groups, but today I'm going to make an exception. So this will be my second group ride and I'm super excited about it. So let's see what happens. Let's go.
In half a mile, turn left onto Page Boulevard.
So I am headed to meet my friends. My microphone is hitting my lip right now. Oh, a bug just flew my helmet. I can't even deal right now. Definitely gotta put over. Okay, I don't like that mic placement. Okay, I feel like this is better. If it's not, guess what? We'll try again. Okay, what's good? You already know it's QueenSit. I am riding through downtown St. Louis right now. Alright, so we're finna meet up with some of my friends. My homegirl Ashley called me. Not my best friend Ashley. I know that's what you probably think I'm talking about. Not her. It's another girl named Ashley. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me change her Yamaha's oil. Hey, we just got the screw off. I don't know if you could. Ooh, we got oil. Ooh. Hey, we getting it done out here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's going down. It's QueenSit. So she called me one day and she's like, "Hey, what's up? What's up?" Thank you. I appreciate it. Those are the best reactions when people pull up like, what? Wait a minute. That stage 2 is nasty. This stage 2 is amazing. So let me get back to my story real quick. So a girl named Ashley called me. She found me on Facebook. She said, "Hey, you ride motorcycles? I need somebody to give my bike an oil change." So me being the person that I am, I'm like, sure, I'm on my way, you know. So we link up. Whole time I've never changed the oil on a motorcycle before, so let's start there. But did I tell her that hello? Did I tell her that? No. So I go over there and I watch a YouTube video. You know, I tell her all of the items to order, and she order them. I go over there and I do her oil change, and it's successful. So this is where I met this girl Ashley. So ever since then we have been riding together maybe 2 times so far. So this will be the 3rd time, I think. So super excited. She's super cool. And when I link up with her, we're gonna link up with another group of women. I hear they have Harleys and road glides and street glides, so this should be exciting. I don't like riding in groups with sports bikes. I don't really mind it, but sport bikes just go so fast, and I'm not about riding fast. I'm about looking cute. Looking cute as a boo, you know what I'm saying? Hey, how you doing? See, that's what I like to do. I like to wave at people and give people that motivation and just inspiration to see me out here on this bike. Anyway, so we're headed there. This should be fun. My pipes are not the loudest. Whoa, look at that car. I'm actually looking to change my pipes out to something louder. So in the comments below, let me know what pipes do you suggest to give me a louder, obnoxious sound. And I mean obnoxious because I want cars to know that I'm on the side of them. Hopefully my lips not hitting this microphone. Let me fix it. I feel like it is. So I want cars to know that I'm there. Like, I want to be loud. I want to be noticed. Not because I want to look cool, but because loud pipes save lives, or that's what I've been told. We're going to end this right here, and I'll see you at my friend's house. Let's go, baby.
Have your family base, girl, the whole place mash up. Aye, man, as a bedroom good.
Okay, boom. So we are here. We getting ready to hop on our bikes. Her friend is going to hop on the back of my motorcycle. So this is her jacket. We're getting ready to go pick her up. Huh? And I'm a little sleepy now. So I'm going to fit that in my bag. I always enjoy having a passenger on the back of my bike for some reason. Don't ask me, it's weird. But I don't mind riding with people. Extra mask in case I forget to grab one. Okay, we get ready to head out. Stuck on the hill. I mean a bump. Ooh.
All right, I guess. Thank you.
All right, what's good, y'all? We getting ready to hop on these bikes.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
Am I in it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. First, you gotta put your jacket on.
Boom. Make sure y'all pay attention. She
First,
put your
jacket on.
boom.
It's like. First, you put.
Girl, if you
Oh. My man, we in a rush. Apologize for my tardiness. I was out kayaking today. So,
Okay.
you know.
Oh, really? That's what you doing?
I had
Didn't tell nobody.
I ain't never been kayaking.
Oh, you should do it. It's only $15.
Where?
Forest Park.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, where the boathouse?
Yep.
Okay. We got Ashley, we got Jeanette, we got Sassy over here. We getting ready to hop on these bikes, and we just gonna go where the wind takes us.
That was a good idea of mine.
I told
You took your ponytail down?
I took the top bun part down. It's gonna work. I took the bun down, but I couldn't get.
gonna be hurting.
I couldn't get all the braids down.
And Jeanette's getting ready to hop on the back of my bike. I wish I had a front camera so you could see this, but you already know how I ride with people, so let's
Oh
go.
yeah, just 2 seconds.
I'm gonna reverse so you can get on once I get back.
And then where do I put my feet at?
Right here.
Oh, you ride with no jacket?
Oh, to the back.
Oh.
Take you serious. They said the pussy niggas on your team earn your job. They say you make them pussy ass niggas call you bro. That's wrong.
Does it make a lot of noise though? It's like a motorcycle. Does it make a lot of noise?
You're saying 2 people.
Oh, turn it this way.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. Anyway.
Hey man, hey.
What's your name?
Guns, Slaughter Rebels, VP. St. Louis, baby.
No, you have it. You want to shout yourself out too?
Oh, yeah. We got Q in the house.
We'll have at this bike. This mug nice too.
Oh, yeah.
You need him other brother. Got another brother down there.
Okay.
We're gonna check out this other bike.
That's it, right here.
Oh, we
We're
haven't.
gonna check out this street glide right here and see what it's talking about.
Can she sit on your bike?
It might be wet though.
You watch it?
No, it's just more time. Picking up that juice.
Show the people the speakers. You got the speakers right here in the what's it called? Doors. This boogie right here.
Throttle Rebels in the house. Hey.
Shout out to them. Shout out to them for letting me hear the music. I appreciate it. And be looking for a vlog coming soon because we all might ride together one day. So.
No, ain't no mic. We will.
Right, we will.
We will. You heard it here.
We will.
You see my face.
We will be right.
We will. So stay tuned. It's coming in the next few weeks. Let's go. It's QueenSit. Hey, y'all. Victory.